The following tutorial describes the latest updates to the multi-factor authentication functionality. Let's begin. Let's begin by setting multi-factor authentication, or MFA, as mandatory for all users. This can only be done by the practice owner. From the account settings, navigate to the security section and enable the option to enforce MFA for all team members. This ensures that every login is protected by an additional layer of authentication. All users associated with this account will be informed via a message on top of their start page and are required to enable multi-factor authentication for their login. Now, let's see what the login experience looks like with MFA enabled. Users will first enter their credentials, followed by a prompt to complete the second authentication step, such as a code from an authenticator app. This secure login process helps prevent unauthorized access. As a DS Core user, you can also force a session log out of your active sessions. This is useful in case of suspicious activity or when a device is lost. Go to the User Profile section, select the active session you want to close, and click Delete Session. You will be immediately logged out of the selected session. DS Core is designed with security and compliance in mind. Smart architecture, encrypted data, and strict authentication protocols contributes to that your practice and patient data are protected. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about NewD's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.